interesting also today. It's students housing. They have the offices also in this building.
Yeah.
Student housing awards here. Helsinki is sportsmuseet. There are Kone here. And they had 9 floors here. We were thinking they were replaced and modernized, but they're Kone.
Yeah.
But only one elevator because they are not embarrassing.
No, I don't
It's
know.
difficult. But maybe they're all.
Yeah, they're only first floors open.
No. Yeah, unfortunately there are a lot.
Yeah.
But floor 1 is open, big
Yeah.
one, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Built in 1999. Zimbabwe's H70127. We can change elevators on the floor being here.
Yeah.
Maybe finished in 2000.
Mm.
But I'm not sure, but it might be.
Yeah.
Also in Kampen, Helsinki has washable similar field. Yeah.
Niin se pitää kiva, jos pitää tehdä siinä töölön otkaappi.
Yeah, yes. Of course. It's coming.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
of course not. Maybe we try for one.
Yeah.
Try that.
Mm.
There. So it's too embarrassing.
Yeah.
It's on pause, but it's on.
No, yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Pitää kiva, jos pitää tehdä machine.
Yes, built in 1999. Version 70126. Prestige 30 and Paris is 7,000 grams. But all the floors except here want to work.
Yeah. So we can wait if somebody is going to call.
Uh,
Maybe 5 minutes or something.
Maybe. But I don't do it. It's too embarrassing.
No. No, it's a student housing, not for elderly people. And
Yeah. But still, because it's so locked up like.
yeah. maybe this is enough. Okay. And that's